This is what happens when you go to places solo. But no regrets. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. Right now it's 4:15 p.m. and we are going to climb on top of a mountain called Kunti Betta. Kunti Betta. I don't know, it's located here somewhere in between Mysore and Bangalore. So I decided to go there. It's a 20 minutes to 30 minutes trek. From there we can see a really good view. I actually wanted to go there early in the morning to watch sunrise, but I was tired. I walked night shift actually. So we're going there now to see the sunset. MG Hector. DC GoPro is the best action camera. I face a lot of glitches and issues with it, like sometimes I try to turn it off and it doesn't turn off. Sometimes it says SD card error and it heats up so much at times. It scares me, like, you know, feels like it's gonna blast to something. Why you charge us so much money? रुको जरा सब्र करो. Wow, this road is nice. Can you see that hill up there? Yeah, I'm going there. I think this is a sugarcane factory. Wow, there's a railway track here. I come from a hilly area, so we don't have railway tracks in our state. Oh, damn, bad road. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Sometimes I wonder if I should be vlogging in Hindi and more people could watch it, or like people would enjoy it more if I did it in Hindi. Whoa, this is such a nice place. Coconut trees everywhere, green fields. There I can see sheep over there, so many sheep. There are some cows. Sun right above, and woo! Even saw people were going there for camping at night. I saw videos actually of people going there, trekking in the middle of the night and waiting for the sunrise. It's like in Shillong we go to Nongjrong. This is the place where people from Karnataka come to watch the sunrise. Tractor, tractor, tractor. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Let's just go wherever the road leads us to.
Yo, chill.
इधर से इधर से
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಐತೆ ರೈಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕೊಪ್ಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಐತೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಕೊಪ್ಪಲ್
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡು
इधर से हाँ ओके ओके
ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ದೇವಡ ಕೊಪ್ಪಲು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಪ್ಪಲ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಐತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ತು
ಹಾಂ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಾಲುವೆ ತುರುವರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಕಾಲುವೆ ಐತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ
ಓಕೆ I knew this was gonna happen. Google Maps sucks. Wow, he's very kind enough to show me the way. Straight. Huh. Just straight. Huh. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Thank you. Dhanyavada. That's all I can speak. Dhanyavada. It means thank you in the language Kannada. He understood my sign language. If you ever wanna come take sign language classes with me, I'll take it for free. Cause it's to go. Oh, you here now? Seems like I've made it. Oh, so there was another way to come here. Damn, these rocks, they're huge. Okay, it's from here that I'm gonna go up. Okay. Yeah, buddy. This, I'm just gonna leave it here because there's nothing really. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go up, go up. Oh, it's so steep, damn. I'm gonna slip. Hey, key. Right now the time is 4:53 p.m. and I have to make it to the top. Chillax over there. Trisha, Navi, Benka. Oh my god. Damn. Damn, there's a big beehive over there. Big one. Can you see? I don't know which way. Do I have to jump from here? Seems like it. Damn. Oh. This is what happens when you go to places solo. Ooh, you don't know what happened. Damn. I was the only one there going up, and I think everybody already like came in the morning and had already returned. So as I was climbing up, I heard the grass moving, and then I got a little creeped out. I was like, what was that? As I looked to the left and right, inside this grass there was a big snake. It looked like a rattlesnake or something. I could see the tail moving, and I saw the body like crawling like that. After I saw that, I didn't dare to go up anymore. I don't know, I'm so sorry guys, I couldn't show you the view from the top, but at least like we reached somewhere in between, I guess. I have a thing, like I have a phobia for reptiles, you know. I can't, like as soon as I see reptiles I get so creeped out. You know, everybody has their weakness, and reptiles really scare the shit out of me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I'll be able to show you better place in the next video. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if by chance you like anything about the video. And yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video.